In this video, we'll show you how to install and set up the VIMart WordPress theme, a clean, modern theme designed for online stores. VIMart works perfectly with WooCommerce and Elementor, making it easy to build a beautiful, flexible, and fully responsive e-commerce website. Let's get started. First, install the theme just like any other WordPress theme. If you want to import the demo content, you'll need to install the required plugins first. Click Continue. This will automatically install and activate all the recommended plugins for you. When that's done, you're ready to import the demo. There are two ways to do this. 1. Manual import. You can import or add each part of the demo yourself, like pages, menus, and widgets. 2. One-click demo import, the faster option. Just click Import Demo, then wait for the process to finish. That's it. Once the import is complete, go back to the customizer to edit your site in detail. Inside the customizer, you'll find all the tools you need to make your site look exactly how you want. Start with site identity. Upload your logo, set your site title, tagline, and favicon. Then move on to typography, where you can adjust your fonts for headings, body text, and buttons to match your store's style. Next, explore the Colors section to change your site's primary and secondary colors, giving your brand a consistent look. You can also manage your header and footer layouts. In the footer, you can edit widget areas and update copyright text. If you're setting up a blog, check out the blog settings, customize your post layout, featured image display, and meta information like author and date. For WooCommerce users, the Shop and Product page sections let you configure how your products are displayed and adjust sidebar positions for shop or product pages. Finally, don't forget to update your social links so customers can easily connect with your store on social media. Once you're happy with your changes, click Publish, and your site is ready to go live with your own design and content. Finally, note that each page in the theme comes with its own sidebar and widget settings, allowing you to customize what appears in those areas individually, giving you more flexibility to tailor the layout and content for each part of your site.